Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how I install an automatic door seal to an exterior front door. So let's get cracking. You will need a drill bit, size 10 or 20, a Phillips head driver, tape measure, pencil and masking tape. So next we measure the bottom of the door. I like to leave a gap of around 2 mil each side. Next we cut the size using an angle grinder with a metal cutting disc, or you can use a hacksaw. I tape it in position and then I mark the top with a pencil and also where the screw holes will go. Carefully drill where you have marked your screw holes. Place your weather seal in position and screw in your screws. Next we have the circular cam. We hold it at the bottom against the weather strip, pushing it in so it locks in position, and then we mark it against the jamb. Okay, so now we get our drill with our drill bit. We line up our marked hole for the cam and drill into the bottom part of the jamb. So last but not least, we take our small cam. You'll notice that the hole in the cam has been manufactured in an offset position. This will allow you to be able to adjust your cam so that it fits snug and hard up against your weather seal. So we take a Phillips head screw, we drive into position at the bottom of the jamb, and we test our door so that it fits, and there it is, nice and snug, and that's a wrap. So I hope the video was helpful, and I'll catch you on our next project.